So here to solve this Tapa by JinHoo on called evens. It has some pretty clear clue theme based off these given digits. When we get these big groups around 8, we can't take both of these cells, and so around a clue like this 6 right next to the 8, we have to leave this cell in the middle unused. These 5 can get shaded. Same kind of logic now propagates over this 2, 4. We can't use this cell because if we did, we couldn't take any more, and this clue needs to always take 2 or more, so we get this marked in. These have to grow out to be longer cells. We finish off the 2 clue below, which means this is the 2, 4 here. This 4 can't take these cells. This 2, 4 will need to get another group of size 2 in, but we can't use both of these cells, so the only place to place a 2-cell group is there. So mark that in. We then can't reach over to here. This 2 is also going to need to take a group like that. Notice the lower left of the grid is now getting somewhat isolated, and we can't take 3 cells to get through this channel or this channel, so the only way to keep everything connected is to come up through the top. That will complete this 2, which now limits very fully how the 2, 2 gets done. This 2, 4 also needs to stay connected, and coming through this bottom channel would put in this pattern, which wouldn't let the group stay together, so we have to do this. That gets these in the grid. Connectivity is going to require coming through this rightmost column. That's going to mark this off. That means around the 6 we've got to come this way, marks this off. So we have all this set. We now just have to solve for the top. This cell is not used because the 4 is complete, and we finish this grid. So a good basic Tapa, but with some key use of these large shaded numbers, marking off single cells like these cells to then get these other digit groups to work. Connectivity working through the 2 at the bottom. So a few different lessons to take away from this, but hopefully through this video you got some tips that will help you through the rest of this Tapa week. Thanks, JinHoo, for the puzzle, and we'll see you again soon.